It's Dan and we're back for another video. So today's video, if you guys are tired of not having wireless Apple CarPlay in your car, I have the solution for you guys, and it's gonna be this product. I don't know how to pronounce it, mystically maybe, but MSXTTLY. So this little thing is gonna change all this mess that you see, all these wires, except for this because it's for your Apple Watch, but all these wires with this is gonna change everything. Wireless adapter. So we're gonna see what's in the box and go from there. See, it's 5G, 10 seconds to connection, 12 months of warranty, 800 or more cars. This specific car is a 2022 Kia K5, I believe. So let's get into it. Alright, so as you guys see here, the Apple CarPlay is wired. This is the wire. This black wire is connected to the car. And this is a wire. This is basically gonna make it wireless. So, I'll show you what's inside the box. Just here on the side. Nice little... Check it out right now. Hold on. Pretty sure this is a little like glue so you can stick on somewhere so it doesn't just hang around. Instructions here on what to do. So this is them. I'll leave the link down below so you guys can try it out for your car as well. And we'll see what this is for right now. It's really nice packaged, and it's super cool too because it's like some type of carbon fiber. It looks nice, it doesn't weigh anything. Super nice carbon fiber, so it's not like an ugly stick or anything like that. It's nicely named. Super nice. And now this wire too. Now I gotta figure out how this goes. See right now. Oh, okay. So I'm guessing this is if your car is Type C, you would connect this here and like this. But this car is not Type C, so we don't need that right now. So you guys see it's wired. Now we disconnect this. The Apple CarPlay leaves. Let's connect this right here. Now we're gonna look for the product. I have a lot of connections on my phone. Let's turn this off and turn it back on. See, it's reading. Oh, look at that. Connect it right away there. I'm looking for it here, but let's see what it does. Maybe we have to set it up there first. We wait. So you guys see here, there's no wires. Now it actually became wireless Apple CarPlay. As you see, there's no wire connected, just this, and it's already connected. So we could play something. We're not gonna play anything because then we get copyrighted. But you see, it's there. This car's touch, so everything is touch. Now it's wireless. Now you don't need no more wires. Obviously only if you want to charge your phone, but now you really have wireless Apple CarPlay, which is super good, super convenient. You don't have to have all the loose wires and all that. So let's get out of the Apple CarPlay. Look, it even has a Kia app. So we go back. When we push Kia, we go back. It has YouTube already. Yes, I agree. It has YouTube, has Netflix, has TikTok. We're gonna connect to my hotspot quick just to show you guys that it works. Give me 1 second. Pause. You guys see the Apple CarPlay and having YouTube here. I did connect to my hotspot, but we got YouTube. We got my shorts here. Now we go to the videos. So it's like YouTube. Now you can watch your videos. You're on your lunch break, you don't have nothing to do, come to your car and watch YouTube videos. So this is super cool right here, and it's really responsive. So we go back. Let's go back to home. So it has to be connected to hotspot. All right, you guys see the YouTube there. We go down. It's responsive. So you guys are on your lunch break at work, anywhere you guys are at, you want to watch YouTube videos, you just go straight to YouTube. You do have to connect to hotspot, so make sure that it has to be connected to hotspot. But it's super responsive. YouTube channels right here. My videos, my shorts are all here. Videos are here. So this is pretty cool. We go back home. Now we got Netflix on here. So now you can watch a movie here. The loading screen, this is the first time starting it up, so it's taking a little while. It's not as just like right away, but this is the first time using it. So this is Netflix. So if you guys have a Kia or any car that's not it has to have wire, Apple CarPlay and Android on it for it to work with this adapter to make it wireless. It's super small, as you guys can see right here. It's tiny. There's no more wires. The mess is gone, unless like you want a charger, but the mess is gone here. And you guys see here, get started. So YouTube, Netflix, we got TikTok. Netflix, I can't show anything because it's gonna get copywritten, but you would just sign into your Netflix and it should start working, and you're able to watch movies and stuff. This is TikTok. I don't know anybody who's actually gonna sit down in a car and watch TikToks on their car, but you have it if you really wanna do it. Also, it's TikTok lit, so yeah, you have to sign in again. Go back. We got Amazon Video, Prime, so you can watch your movies. You can watch from in your car. You can watch your favorite episodes that are on either Netflix or Prime. You can watch them straight from your car, which is super cool. I wish all cars would have came with the ability to watch YouTube and all that when you have Apple CarPlay, but you're not able to do that. That would be perfect. So it's right here. It's loading. But yeah, guys, you have to check out the brand. This MSXTTLY. So this is it. Super cool. This is a super cool adapter that you could use. And then it also comes with a little cable in case, like this one or this one. I'm not sure for what this one is for. But it comes with this one, and then it comes with the one in case your phone was can't find it now. Was it this one? Was it this one? If I lost it, I think I lost it, but it comes with the wire in case your car is only Type C. So Apple CarPlay, you just click on it. If it was Android, it would go to Android, and you would connect it from your phone to there, and it connects right away. As you guys see, there it's connected. Music is ready to be played. If we wanted to play something, it all works. See, it works. Not gonna play anything that's just we're gonna copyright, but see, it works. Back to Kia, and then this is it. We go to settings, and you can switch the system around. So this is how you connect to Wi-Fi. I'm connected to a hotspot right now. Personalize this. So you would just personalize like different things that you want to do to the little adapter. Second, it's an Android system. It's all here. It has really good resolution, where you guys see right there. You guys see it looks really good. See, this is to clean up, and this is, you went just back to what it was. See, and even your car reads it as Apple CarPlay. So that's how you go back into your settings, and then back Apple CarPlay. We go home, and it goes back here, and it tells you obviously not to drive it and be watching that like YouTube. Let's go to YouTube real quick. it disconnected from the hotspot. But you guys get the point of what this does. Now you have no more wires. It looks much cleaner in here. It looks super much cleaner. Now you have wireless Apple CarPlay. If your car didn't come with Apple CarPlay, which it's crazy, but a lot of new cars don't come with wireless Apple CarPlay. I don't know why. If it's just wireless, they have Bluetooth, but they don't have wireless Apple CarPlay. So this will make your car be wireless. Super cool. Super cool. I would recommend this. 10 out of 10 to get it if your car obviously doesn't come with wireless Apple CarPlay, because now you don't have the wires. Okay, super responsive. Map is here, music and everything. Go back to Kia, and then it goes into here. We lost what's it called, the hotspot. But let's see if we connect back again. Let's see. I just wanted to show you guys how the YouTube looks. It looks really good. It's just my hotspot is super laggy, so that's why. But see, it looks good. You want to watch YouTube, this is cool. You can watch YouTube when you're on your lunch break or whatever. This is super cool to have. Honestly, I wish all cars came with the YouTube. But anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Check them out. This is them. All the links are gonna be down below, so you guys can check it out and buy it for yourself. I literally recommend this. 10 out of 10. It's a really good product. See, key to the new vision. This is perfect. Once again, if you don't have wireless Apple CarPlay, look, there it goes playing me. You could even watch it small right here. Look, cool. You can move it around. Yeah, so this is cool to have. You can't download any extra apps if you want it. It's just these. But come on, these are the main apps everybody uses besides Instagram. But these are the apps that are super popular. So this is super good to have in your car. Once again, recommend 10 out of 10. And that's it for the video. On to the next one. Peace.